G'day everyone, you've heard a lot from the first bloke on the channel. I'm the second bloke, and today we're going to be doing some forging. This is the setup as of the moment. Made a pretty basic Wilcox inspired brick forge, wood fire or charcoal, with a hammer, cheap hammer that I took the scale off and put a wooden handle on, and some railroad track that I've bolted to a tree stump. We're going to be making some tongs. I've already made a start, as you can see, but I'm still working on the second half. You need tongs to be able to make other stuff, and I'm definitely not going to want to buy them. It's like 40 bucks to buy them from somewhere else, and you know, you need more than one set of tongs, so now I can make more. Just a little info on the forge. All it is a frame that I made from some scrap metal that holds some bricks in a V, as well as pipe that runs through the middle with some holes drilled in it. That plugged in, you could use a hairdryer or anything. I'm using a vacuum. You want something with a lot of volume and not a lot of pressure. And so when I turn it on, it all gets red hot. Make sure when you're doing this, you don't have you're in a fire safe position. You know, there was a big pile of leaves there that I had to clear yesterday into that wheelie bin because that was a big fire danger, and it's going to be a 40-degree day, which is why I'm doing this in the morning. Make sure you've got plenty of water on hand. There's a water tank up there with a hose, and I've got another 60 litres of water in here that I use for quenching, but I could also use in case of an emergency. Okay, let's get into it. These are the two pieces at the moment. The idea is that I'll drill and rivet a hole and they'll work like that. I'm gonna make these sections a little thinner on them so I don't have to do as much bending to get them to match up nicely. Throw them back in both in the forge. So I'm pretty happy with how these are now. I'm going to drill a hole to the center of one and then use that to mark the other, and then put in a hot rivet, and then I can start adjusting when I want the teeth to touch, and I can bend it out as a whole unit, and so, you know, I've got a flat surface at the top. Flip it, flip it. I mean, how it works, bring it, flip it. Flip it. Yeah, pretty fucking good. Flip, flip, flip. That's good. That's... Flip it. Nice. Okay. So now, you didn't film that, did you?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, fuck. Yeah. But I can bend these back and, you know, whatever. Doop, 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 doop. I think I'm going to heat it up. Just like this. Heat it up in the forge. Like that.
You fucking need those.
Ooh, yeah. Probably shouldn't have used a galvanized one. Block your nose.
Is it gonna... Oh yeah, it'll fucking stink.
It's not the smell, it's the fucking shit it pollutes. Don't touch it.
Oath, bruh.
Oh, she's pretty springy.
Well, it's twisted.
Yeah, she's not coming apart. That could work. Let's quench them. Okay guys, these are the finished tongs. They're a bit how you going, and I might redo the rivet in the middle, but they will work. Just going to test them out on the actual project I built the whole forge for and everything. Fucked it up with my hand. Seem to hold stuff pretty well. Righto guys, there's going to be a few more forging videos coming out in the future, making some boot pullers out of horseshoes.